Here's how to know if someone saved your number on WhatsApp. First of all, you should know that there's no surefire way to know if someone added to their WhatsApp contact. But you can take an educated guess by following these steps. First of all, you should check whether you can see their profile photo or not, because a lot of people set their profile photo to be seen only by their contacts. The same thing goes for About. So if you see someone's About and profile photo, then there's a big chance that they have your number saved on WhatsApp. You can also check whether you can see their last seen or online status. The more info you can see, the higher the chance that they have added you to their contacts. And vice versa. But you can never be sure, because all of these privacy settings can be set to no one, and if that's the case, then there's no way you can tell whether they have saved you in WhatsApp. As of now, this is the best way to know it, unless WhatsApp adds a new feature. Hope you found this useful, and I'll see you around.